Hi students, welcome to English for All channel. Today's topic is interview rounds. Generally, many of the candidates they got confused. What type of rounds we will have when we enter inside the company? Before entering inside the company, we have some different rounds, and company to company it differs undoubtedly. Many of the companies they conduct some of these rounds, and some of the companies they conduct all the rounds, and some of the companies they don't conduct even one or two. Directly they will conduct question and answer round. That means panel interview round or person interview round. It differs from company to company, but many of the companies they pick up some of these important interview rounds. Imagine if it is a if it is a BPO company, they focus on voice and accent. If it is a normal marketing company, they focus on question and answer round. Like this, company to company differs. Now look at all the important interview rounds. Look at the first one, introduction round. They certainly ask you to tell about your self-introduction. This is one of the important aspects. Generally, we will expect this one in all the interviews. So, either it may be this company or that company, they generally ask your introduction. So, it is one of the main areas in the interview rounds. Look at the next one, topic round. They give you one topic, they will ask you to speak on that particular topic. So, they will assess you and they will come to a conclusion about your content knowledge, your delivering modulation, and your what we call voice and accent. Also, they sometimes they'll observe with the help of topic round, and the way you behave. That means your body language, everything will be assessed with the help of topic round. Look at the next one, jump session. Just a minute. By giving one topic, we need to present our feelings. We need to present our idea on the topic. So look at the next one, written test. Of course, if it are 1000 candidates are there for 100 jobs, if it are 100 members are there for 10 jobs, it is not possible to conduct question and answer round. That means direct interview. So at that moment they will conduct a written test so that they will evaluate the candidates. And in interview rounds, we have already completed one video on this one. You can check what are the main aspects they will assess with the help of written test. Your comprehensive skills, your grammatical knowledge, and your technical knowledge, aptitude and raising, all these things will be included in written test. And look at this one, telephonic round. In some of the situations, companies may not come directly to the candidate, and the candidates may not go directly to the company. It is a waste of time and it is waste of money and all. So they will conduct a telephonic round. So it is also one of the rounds, but many of the companies they don't prefer this one, but some of the companies they prefer. So you should be ready with the technical, that is telephonic round also. And we have already one video based on this particular topic on how to face telephonic round. Look at the next one, group discussion. As you already know, group discussion is one of the important things where we have to deliver our content. At the same time, we have to either oppose or support in a polite manner. At the same time, we should be very strong. So look at the group discussion. It also one of the important aspects in interview rounds. Look at voice and accent. As already we discussed, voice and accent also plays important role, but not to all the companies. Some of the companies only they conduct voice and accent test. And look at technical round. Based on your technical knowledge only, sometimes you will be evaluated well, and you will be given priority compared to other candidates. So your technical knowledge round. That means by asking number of questions based on your content, based on your subject skill, that is called technical round. Look at the next one, HR round. Obviously HR, when we complete many of these rounds only we will enter into HR round. HR round in the sense almost we have done, but in HR round also, if at all you already completed your job, if you are having 1 or 2 years experience, there you are getting some salary, some sort of salary, and these HR managers they try to reduce that one, whatever demand you have, whatever expected salary you are quoting, they try to minimize it by pointing out your minus points, by pointing out your negative things. So you should be very patient and you should be very careful in HR round. And we have a separate video on HR, how to crack HR round. And look at the last one, question and answer round. That is nothing but interview. It may be panel interview, that means 3 or 4 members will sit and they'll ask you a number of questions, or it may be personal interview, that means only one interviewer will be there and they'll ask a number of questions. So these are the important interview rounds, and students try to understand about the importance of each and every round and try to crack your job. Thank you for watching.